Okay, for this experiment, we are going to be observing the law of conservation of mass, which states that the mass of any substances, either before or after a chemical reaction, will stay the same as long as they are all in a closed environment. So, our closed environment, we're going to use a gallon freezer bag and vinegar and baking soda. And to weigh this, you need a uh, cooking scale or any other digital scale. So, we'll start out by putting a cup or two, it doesn't matter really, as long as it's not the entire bag of vinegar into the Ziploc bag, seal it up, lay it on to the scale. Then we will take a piece of paper and pour just a little bit of baking soda onto that piece of paper. Doesn't have to be an exact amount. And record the number that is on the scale, which on this example is 1.13. So we will begin the chemical reaction by opening up the bag, pouring the baking soda in the bag, and letting the chemical reaction begin. And you make sure the bag's sealed up very good, or some of that substance will leave in vapor out of the bag and will not be contained in the final weight. So then what we have after the water or the vinegar has settled and all the bubbles are gone, the chemical reaction is finished and the weight is still the same, even though the substances have changed form. And that explains there's the law of conservation of mass.